This is review the NPTCL microphone set, wireless microphone set, which comes with two microphones that are wireless, USB-C cable, two clips, and a receiver which you plug into your phone by USB-C. It could be iOS, it could be Android. So you want to see how the sound quality is and if there's any potential issues with this mic. Now, I want to compare this to a wired mic that I'm using right now. What you're hearing right now is a wired lavalier mic that's connected to my phone that I'm recording. So we'll see right here. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we want to see how this sounds once it's connected compared to this. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we're testing out the mic quality of the NPTCL wireless microphone set. This is one microphone I'm using in my hand right now. So it's connected to my shirt. Let's hear it from far away. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. I believe it works really well. I listened to it earlier and it was pretty clear. Now you have two mics. Ideally, you wouldn't want to connect both of them unless you're using two different sources or two different people that are talking. So I only have one connected. But this mic works pretty well. You connect a receiver on the phone and it instantly pairs. There seems to be no delay. And it sounds very crystal clear. So let's hear it again. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. I believe this is a great option if you want to go wireless for the first time with mic setups for your content creation. And it could be a good step away from the wired mic setup, which can be annoying if you have to be far away from your phone or device. And if you don't like wires, this is a great option and it's working for me right now. And I see it being a win. It's a plus.